going to be using propeller hats. It's going to take me to propeller hats. So these propeller hats, right, is to come here, just click on launch my first campaign, click on here, where you get to sign up. Here it says okay, here it says publisher, here it says I want to monetize my web, mobile, social, and app traffic, get ICPM, and here it says advertiser, I want to promote my product or CPA offer. So what we need to do is just come right here where it says accounts type, click on individual right there, then here it says personal information, so put in your first name, put in your last name, select your country, put in your city, put in your email, your address, put in your email, then select WhatsApp, Facebook, or I think there's Telegram. You can select Telegram. Afterwards you click on continue. Business model. Yes, I'm an affiliate. I want to promote products on CPA network with advertiser. I'm a direct advertiser and promote my own. I represent the CPA network. So we want to actually promote our CPA offers right there. So click on the first one. It says what other traffic source and CPA network you currently work with. Just put on CPA grade. Basically, then they're not gonna ask you what advertising formats are you planning to use for interstitial, but I actually want the push notification. So yeah, they're gonna ask you what verticals you work with. So what you need to do is just put in where it says, just search for survey or soup takes. Let's go for soup takes basically. Then we can put in survey. Let's put in lead generation. And okay, I think that's enough. How did you know about us? Just put in Google search. Then comments is actually optional, and here click on where it says accept terms and conditions, and here where it says click on here where it says I'm not a robot. Okay, then fill out this captcha, click on next, basically click on skip, then here click on sign up. And here it says please activate your account. You have sent an activation link. Now click on here which says verify account. So we now need to select the password. So I'm just gonna put login. So it's gonna take us to our dashboard. Then I'm just gonna click on here. It says are you a landing or a website owner, then I'll click in more. I'm just gonna click off this one. So the next thing we want to do right here on this platform, the next step is to create campaign. Just click on here which says create campaign at the top. It's gonna take us right here. So you now need to put a name for this campaign, but you can put in anything. Basically, you can just put in giveaways 1x. Let's do something like this. So they're gonna ask you to choose advertising format. You can see what they actually mean by on click slash. So I think this one actually makes sense. So what we're gonna do next is come right here. They're gonna ask for your pricing model. Let me just put it at CPA Go basically. So you want to scroll down here, it says multi-format campaign. So what you want to do now is this is where you get to put in your offer link, basically the one that you actually place right here. The one you copy from CPA Grip, just click on Ctrl C, then go back and paste it right there. Then afterwards scroll down a bit. So since this offer is only available to people in the United States, just look for United States right there. Click on where it says United States, pricing budget. They're gonna ask you how much you want to spend daily. So I'm just gonna leave it at just spend $15 per day, and total campaign budget. How much do you want to put in here? So we're just gonna put in just put in $100 right here. Then we can increase this to $20 per day, which means this ad is gonna run for 5 days basically. So then come down here basically. So come right here where it says platform. It's actually a mobile offer, so you want to make sure you select mobile offer. So you want to scroll down here, just ignore all these ones right there, ignore all. Then they're gonna ask propeller ads audience right there. So what you're gonna do next is where it says giveaways, click on giveaways, and afterward you scroll down. They're not gonna ask you what gender do you want to target, is it women or is it men. So I'm just gonna leave it at men, and I'm gonna leave it at the age of 18 to 29, because go down here where it says collecting an audience for a targeting offer the first time. What this is actually going to do is they're actually going to help you with targets to those same people or persons again, so that they can get it. See, it says save the users who completed conversion into an audience and target them in your campaign to make even more sales. So what you can do right there is just leave them as retargeting. Just leave it like targeting that way. Then you can see right there, I've actually changed the name. So what you want to do next, just scroll down. So now this is where the big work comes in. So this is your creative right there. So that's why I actually said push notification. So you can see right there, anything I actually put in here is actually gonna appear here. So this is where we actually need to get creative and put in something that's actually gonna convert, because this is where the work is basically. So I'm just gonna complete all this stuff right here. Here it says giveaways, free $750 to cash out. You can see giveaways, free $750 to cash out. Here you can see it says get rewarded with $750 to cash out. You can still see right here. So you can if you want to add something creative to this that you know people actually want to convert to, then you can also add it to the text basically. So what you need to do next is now to select an image. You can see here it says select an icon image, which is gonna appear here. So we need to get this dimension, which is this. We need to go to canva.com. Let's go to canva.com, click on enter, then click on here which says sign up. So you can sign up on Canva. It's the process is easy. You can continue with Google. Then select sign up using your email. So after signing up, you're gonna now have all this stuff on your screen. So just click on here which says accept all cookies, then just click on personal here. It's gonna bring out this option. Just click on maybe later. Then what you want to do is click on here which says customize size, and it says 192 by 192. So just click on create new design. So after creating the design, you want to now upload the image that you download from Google, the one representing Cash App. So you want to come right here, or any offer that you're trying to promote basically. I think this one still makes sense, but I don't know if it's gonna fit. So I'm just gonna have to show you it fits. Maybe okay. Okay, it actually look basic, so I need to download another image. I use this image basically, so I'm just gonna click on here and say save image. So I'm just gonna click on save, then we go back to Canva, select this one, we go back again, click on upload file, click on this one here. Okay, use it, then you can drag it to fit in the fit. perfect. So what we want to do next is to click on the share icon which says download, then we click on download, then we go back to propeller. Okay, we'll go back to propeller here where it says upload, then come right here, then upload, click on crop image, and you can see right here it actually appears as a $sign here representing the cash out. So what you want to do right here, it says we still need to upload the landscape image. This one is 360 by 240, so I'm just going to close this one and go back again. 360 by 240. Correct? Okay, correct. So just click on create new design. So you can see right here is actually fetch design. So we'll use this image. I found a very good image, so I'm gonna save this one right here. I'm gonna save it to my computer right here. I'm gonna denote it as cache. Okay. Then I'm gonna go to Canva, click on upload, and click on here which is upload files. Then I'm gonna click on this one. It's gonna bring it down. I'm gonna click on this. I'm gonna drag it to fit in the box. So we're gonna use this. So afterwards you can click on download, and click on here which says download. So we need to go back to propeller again, then click on here which says upload image, and click on this one here, and click on crop image, and you can see this is going to appear. You can see right here it says giveaway free $750 to cash app. You can see everything makes sense basically. So what you need to do before you click on start campaign, just click on this one, right click, open up on the new tab right there. Just open it on the new tab. After opening this on the new tab, you're gonna see that you can add funds using bank card, you can use Union Pay, you can use PayPal, you can use Skrill to bring in money here. So any option that you literally select, but first you need to verify your phone number for you to actually bring in funds right there. So after putting in funds, then you can now click on here which says start campaign. So let's say how it's gonna look on Windows, though it's actually not on, it's only for mobile offer basically. So let's say in page push, so this is gonna come giveaways, free $750 to cash app, get rewarded with $750 to cash app. It says start campaign, and click on here it says start campaign, and you're gonna see here it says your balance is below threshold, and because it's actually $0 here. So what you can do is just add funds, and after adding funds you'll be able to now start your campaign. And